guys, hello, and have a look into my creation. Okay, it's very cute, and I am going to show you this. Okay, so it's a pair. Okay, so with the bikini and bikini top and the bikini bottom. Okay, and it's very cute. So the bikini bottom is very simple. um this one is the top. Okay, so we're just like making a triangle shape. Okay, so with this flower here, I just put it on. I will do a different tutorial for this flower. Okay, but for now I will be going through with you guys this one here. Okay, so we are just going to start. Okay, grab your yarn and your crochet hook. Okay, so this one here, I use a cotton yarn. Okay, with a cotton yarn is a 4-ply, and I will be using a 2.5 millimeter hook, and it's just like perfect. Okay, so we're going to start from here. Okay, and okay, to start with, it's a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then we are going to make double crochet into the first stitch. Okay, and I will be doing 3 more. Okay, so that's 1 2 and 3. Okay, so after that we are going to chain 3 and turn your work. Okay, and we are going to increase. Okay, so increase. Okay, so in the first one, okay, we are going to put here, in here we are going to put a double crochet. Okay, and to the next double crochet, into the next double crochet, and into the last chain we are going to put 2 double crochet. Okay, so that's 1 and 2. Okay, so chain 3 and then turn your work. Okay, so it's the same thing. We're just going to increase because we are making like a triangle. Okay, so 2 in the same stitch, and then just 1 double crochet in each stitch until you get to the end. Okay, so just keep working that, your double crochet, and we are here into the end, so you can see that. Okay, we are going to work 2 double crochet, okay, into the same stitch. That is our increase. Okay, so as you can see, we have a small triangle now. Okay, from now you will be just working, you know, here. Okay, so chain 3 and then the same stitch you are going to add 1 more double crochet, and then working, and then when you get to the last, okay, 2 double crochet, and then you're working back and forth until you get the rows that you need. Okay, with mine is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 rows. Okay, so 11 rows with all increase, and you are going to make that a pair. Okay, so two pieces of this triangle, you are going to make that. Okay, And then after that, after you made your triangle, okay, and now we are just like going to, so okay, it's I'll get tangled there. Okay, so this is our top, okay, and this is our bottom. So with this string here, okay, and this string here, okay, so it's very simple. You just put there, but with this string I did change my hook, okay, into a bigger hook. Okay, so a bigger hook, so you can use 4 millimeter hook or 4.5 millimeter hook, or bigger than that, you know, it's up to you. Okay, but so you can get this a little bit bigger, okay, and it's a cotton, so it's very very strong. Okay, so even just like a chain, it is just a chain. And with the tassels, okay, it's very very simple, as I showed you in my previous video. It is very very simple. So all you have to do is you grab like a cardboard or anything, okay, that you will use. Okay, for how long do you need? For this one I use this side. Okay, so you can use this side as well. It will be a little bit shorter. Okay, so with with our with our string, okay, so with our string we are going to insert our hook into the last loop. Okay, and then so what I do, okay, so for example, okay, so for example, this is your top. Okay, so we are going to insert there. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so it will be in this side. Okay, so okay, pull up your yarn, okay, and then go into the next stitch. Okay, and wait, sorry. Okay, chain one. Okay, we'll just pull that back, chain one, and then go into the next stitch. Okay, so it's stronger. Okay, and then pull this and then chain one. Okay, from there, okay, now you're going to change that. Okay, and then you're just going to chain. Okay, how much do you need? Okay, so just chain that, chain until you have the length that you need. Okay, for your top. Okay, for your top, this part here, and you will be doing the same in the other side. Okay, and then you will be making, okay, making this bottom part as well. So to make that, okay, it's very simple. Okay, so you're going to slip knot, okay, and then insert your hook, okay, and you're just going to do the chains. Okay, doing the chains, okay, and for as long as you need it. Okay, so it needs to be long. Okay, so it will wrap around your body. Okay, so you just have to do that until you have the length that you desire. Okay, so with this one, it's long. Okay, so long enough, okay, to, okay, so from here, okay, going there and over here. Okay, so with this one, how to insert this one. So what I did is, in the first, okay, I started, okay, I inserted from the bottom, okay, and I pull up, okay, and then skip 2. Okay, skip 2 and then insert it down, and then skip 3 and then insert it, and then skip 3, inserted, skip 3, inserted, skip 3, inserted, skip 3, inserted, skip 2, and then come back up. Okay, and then insert it into the last one. Okay, so it's the same here as well. Okay, so I do have, the first one, and then 2 skip, 3 skip, 3 skip, 3 skip, 3 skip, 3 skip, 2 skip, and then 1. Okay, so if you do have, all the same, okay, the bottom will be the same as well. Okay, so that is how I made it, and then this one here. Okay, so I will going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, all you have to do is wrap. Okay, wrap. Okay, so with that one, okay, you hold that over there. Okay, if you want this, like stay there, okay, that's fine. Okay, and you have to keep that. Okay, and then you have to wrap this around. Okay, but usually what I do, okay, you can keep this up. Okay, just wrap that around. Okay, and then you have this. Okay, usually you have this string over here, so I just wrap it there, or else you can do this way and then add to it. Okay, add to it. Okay, and then you tie it up. Okay, so tie this up, tie it up. Okay, like that, so it doesn't come off. Okay, yeah, tie it up, and then you just have to cut this. Okay, that is very simple thing to do. Okay, I might put a tutorial on how to make these puzzles. Okay, but it's very simple, guys. And okay, so we did with the flower. Okay, with the flower I will make a video because it takes a while to make. Okay, so it takes a while to make, and you can adjust to how big do you want your flower. Okay, so that flower is just the same as like that. Okay, I will do that into my next video or different video. And if you're interested to for me to make this bottom, I am happy to make a video tutorial for this. Let me know, guys. Leave a comment below, and I will be happy to make this bikini bottom. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Hopefully you like this video. Please leave a thumbs up and share my video. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you will be updated, or you get notified when I upload another video. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and have a great day. Bye.